Hazard Communication Standards, or HCS, form the backbone of workplace safety, providing a robust framework for effectively communicating the potential hazards associated with chemicals in the workplace. Enacted to safeguard the well-being of employees, HCS ensures that pertinent information about chemical risks is conveyed through clear and standardized methods. The primary goal of HCS is to empower workers with the knowledge needed to identify, understand, and safely manage the hazards posed by various chemicals in their work environment. The Hazard Communication Standard has undergone a significant evolution, transforming into the Globally Harmonized System, or GHS, to establish universal standards and guidelines across countries. The GHS represents a groundbreaking initiative aimed at streamlining and harmonizing hazard communication practices internationally. By providing a standardized framework for classifying chemicals, labeling, and safety data sheets, the GHS ensures consistency in the communication of potential hazards. This evolution signifies a collective effort to enhance global chemical safety, facilitating cross-border trade, while promoting a shared commitment to protecting the health and safety of workers worldwide. In addition to its standardized approach to labeling and safety data sheets, the Globally Harmonized System introduces a set of universally recognized pictograms. These pictograms, comprising easily identifiable symbols, further enhance hazard communication by providing a visual representation of potential dangers associated with specific chemicals.